Dear students, let's understand the concept of calculation of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio with reference to this lesson of change in profit sharing ratio amongst the existing partners. As I told you, sacrificing ratio means decrease in the share of a partners in the profits of the firm, and gaining ratio means increase in the share of partners in the profits of the firm. Now, how it will be calculated? See, with the help of this example, question number 1a, it says that X and Y were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. With effect from 1st April 2019, they agreed to share profits equally. Calculate individual partners' gain or sacrificing due to change in ratio. Dear students, first of all, we have to understand what we mean by this ratio 5:3. X and Y were partner in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 5:3, which means that X share is 5/8 and Y share is 3/8. We can also write this way, that 5/8 and 3/8. This is their existing ratio. But what they had did, with effect from 1st April 2019, they agreed to share profits equally, calculate the gain or the sacrifice due to change in the ratio. So we have to understand that their existing ratio of X and Y, that is 5/8 and 3/8, is called as their old ratio. And with effect from 1st April 2019, they agreed to share future profits equally. This is known as 1/2 of X and 1/2 of Y as a new ratio. So how we will find out the sacrificing or gaining ratio? There is very simple formula to find out sacrificing or gaining ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. What we will do, for individual partner, we will get the result by subtracting new ratio from the old ratio. See, old ratio of X and Y is 5/8 and 3/8. We can also write this way. New ratio X and Y is 1/2 and 1/2. Calculation of sacrificing or gaining ratio. First, we will calculate for X. This is known as the old ratio, that is 5/8. New ratio 1/2. We will calculate it. We will find it. X sacrifice 1/8. We had taken the LCM of 8 and 2, 8, and then automatically we had find it out that sacrificing ratio for X is 1/8. Likewise for Y, we will also calculate. Y's old ratio is 3/8. As per the new agreement, he is having 1/2. So we will take the difference, and you will find out here it is minus 1/8. For Y, though he is gaining, but his share comes out as minus 1/8. So dear students, understand, when you calculate by this formula, that old ratio minus new ratio, if any partner share comes in the minus, it means the partner is gaining, and if the partner share comes in plus, it means the partner is sacrificing. If we apply this formula of old ratio minus new ratio, so we had here calculated that X has sacrificed 1/8 because he is having plus balance. Y has gained by 1/8 share that he has in the minus. So this way we will calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio. Let's understand one more question with reference to calculation of this. Here the negative value is gaining and positive value is sacrificing. See another question, question number 1b. A and B were in partnership sharing profits equally. With effect from 1st April 2019, they agreed to share profits in the ratio of 4:3. Calculate individual partners' gain or sacrifices due to change in ratio. Dear students, keep in mind the formula remains same, that is old ratio minus new ratio, and we will calculate accordingly here also for this particular question. See how we are going to calculate here. Their old ratio is equally, that means 1:1, 1/2 and 1/2. If there are three partners, they are having 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. But they had changed to their new profit sharing ratio to 4:3, which means now A is having 4/7 and B is having 3/7. Applying the same formula, that is A's old share is 1/2 minus new share 4/7. B's old share again 1/2 but new share is 3/7. Let's calculate what the result is here. A's gaining ratio is 1/14. B's ratio we had find it out sacrificing 1/14. So here the minus share of A, that is here minus is more, minus 1/14, that is A is gaining, and B is having plus 1/14. So B is sacrificing. So we can say that B has sacrificed 1/14 and A has gained 1/14 share. Let's understand one more question. This question say this way, that A, B and C are partners sharing in the ratio of 4:3:1. They had agreed to share future profits in the ratio of 5:4:3. Calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in ratio. Same way, old ratio for A, B and C is 4/8, 3/8 and 1/8. For new of all the three partners, 5/12, 4/12 and 3/12, because their old ratio is 4:3:1, new ratio is 5:4:3. So 5/12, 4/12 and 3/12. So we will apply the same formula, that is old ratio minus new ratio for all the different partners respectively. For A, you would find that his share is 2/24 in plus, so means A is sacrificing. For B, you would find again 1/14 in plus, that B is also sacrificing. But with reference to C, C is gaining, that is by minus 3/24. As I share with you that any partner whose share comes in minus is gaining, and partners whose share comes in plus is sacrificing. So the answer of this question will be A has sacrificed 2/24, B has sacrificed 1/24 and C has gained 3/24. You would find that the total of 2/24 and 1/24 is 3/24. So C's gain is the 3/24. So C will sacrifice, C will compensate to A and B in their profit sharing ratio. That is, C will compensate to A 2/24. C will compensate to B 1/24. Let's understand one more numerical here. That is also very easy. Mahesh, Naresh and Om were partners sharing in the ratio of 2:3:4. With effect from 1st April 2016, they agreed to share future profits in the ratio of 1:3. Calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice ratio. Same way here, we take the old ratio of Mahesh, Naresh and Om 2:3:4, new ratio of Mahesh, Naresh and Om 1:3, and apply the same formula, that is old ratio minus new ratio. You would find over here that Mahesh sacrificed 1/18, Naresh sacrificed nothing, because he is having as per the old share 3/9, as per the new 2/6, that is 1/3. 3/9, 1/3 and 2/6 again 1/3. So Naresh does not sacrifice or gain anything, so his difference comes to 0. While for Om, he is gaining. Old share was 4/9, new share is 3/6. When we calculate, we find that minus 1/18. So Om is gaining with minus 1/18. So the ratio will here has Mahesh has sacrificed 1/18, Om has gained 1/18. There is no effect on the share of Naresh, because Naresh share old as well as the new is same. That is 3/9, 1/3, 2/6, 1/3. So Naresh neither gaining nor sacrificing. Then who will compensate to whom? Om will compensate to Mahesh. In which ratio? That is 1/18. So this way we had learned that how to calculate gaining and sacrificing ratio, and what the adjustment is to be done with reference to the change in the profit sharing ratio. We will continue tomorrow with reference to a very, very important aspect of this lesson, that is associated with the goodwill. What goodwill is there, what the element or causes of goodwill is there, and what are the important methods of calculation of the goodwill, and also continue that how the contribution or compensation is to be made by the gaining partner to the sacrificing partner with reference to goodwill as well as to the other elements. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Take care for yourself as well as your all near and dears. Thank you.